everyone, and welcome to another episode of Insider Financial Talks Penny Stocks. My name is Alex Carlson. I will be your host today, the editor-in-chief of InsiderFinancial.com, and today we're going to be discussing MWWC, IPSI, HMBL, ENZC, BMIX, NVSGF, IMPP, PBTS, AUVI, TCRT, and EFOI. But before we get into that, we have a few housekeeping issues to go over. We have no business relationship with any company whose stock is mentioned in this video. Insider Financial and myself are not investment advisors, and this video does not provide investment advice. Always do your own research, make your own investment decisions, or consult with your nearest financial advisor. This video is not a solicitation or recommendation to buy, sell, or hold securities. This video is our opinion, is meant for informational and educational purposes only, and does not provide investment advice. For more information, please read our full disclaimer at insiderfinancial.com/disclaimer. With that out of the way, let's dive in here, folks. Boy, is it ugly out there in big caps. Across the board weakness. There's no safe haven among the big board names right now, except maybe for energy, oil, Exxon, Chevron. They're trading near 52-week highs, but bank stocks, tech stocks, Disney, Apple, Netflix, you name it, it's all selling off. And again, you know, this is all Fed-related, inflation, a lot of fears, and you know, if you think the Fed is going to be able to land this plane without with a soft landing, you got another thing coming. It's just not going to happen. We've never seen a soft landing. It's going to be a hard landing, so get prepared. And right now, not a financial advisor, but cash is the best position to be in. It gives you flexibility, allows you to take advantage of opportunities like the ones we're going to talk about. First up is MWWC. This one was up 160% this week. Big news out is the company, their Minosis token global launch happened. The company said it's available now on PancakeSwap. The company has just a $9 million market cap. A lot of social media buzz about this one. So this is great news. Congrats to subscribers that caught this one. Again, this one has a history of major price spikes. This one was a penny and a half back in October, and then in July last year was over 2 cents. So we're here in the double zeros. This one here just cleared the 50-day at 0.0016. We got the 200-day moving average of 0.0041. That's the next resistance level that we will be watching. We'll be watching that next week. Next up is IPSI. This is just a $12 million market cap QB, up 121% for the week. A lot of people are really comparing this one to Humble, HMBL, and you know, I'm not going to get into who's right or what it is, but you know, Ipsi Pay is a competitor to Humble Pay. You can go to their website, Ipsi Pay, IPSI-Pay.com. Check out the team, check out what they have to say. But Humble, you know, they have a $141 million market cap, a lot of dilution there. It's much easier to move a $12 million stock than it is a $141 million market cap. Again, low floats, no dilution. These are the types of plays we look here at InsiderFinancial.com. If you're not already a subscriber, go ahead and sign up at signup.InsiderFinancial.com. Sign up with your email and your mobile number. And the best part is, it is a free service. We do not run any paid subscription service whatsoever. Next up is ENZC. I talked about this one, you know, we've been talking about forever, ENZC, but I said, you know, this 5 cent level is just rock solid support for ENZC. And there's a lot of chatter that they're going to have, they're under an NDA, which is non-disclosure agreement. There's restrictions on that, and it will be lifted next month. There's a lot of speculation as to who that NDA is with. Some are saying Samsung Biologics, Regeneron, Regeneron, Eli Lilly, Gilead, IIV, or any other company. This company has a lot going on, a lot of catalysts, big following on social media. This is one that you really want to pay attention to, ENZC. Next up are two lithium miners, BMIX and NVSGF, both making nice moves here. BMIX just has a $29 million market cap. NVSGF, just a $21 million market cap. BMIX is a Brazilian lithium and nickel miner, whereas NVSGF is a lithium miner in Nevada. Lithium, nickel, EV batteries. I mean, this is just a hot sector. This chart on NVSGF, just unreal, just a great, beautiful chart. It rallied here, pulled right back to the 50-day, and then it's just been exploding higher ever since. Guys, remember, learn to use simple charts. Keep your charts simple. 50-day moving average, 200-day moving average. If you are trading NASDAQ, NYSE, Finviz, finviz.com is a great resource. It's free, and they have all the trend lines drawn for you. So 50, 200-day moving average and simple trend lines, you will make money in the markets. Next up is IMPP. This is an oil tanker play. Spiked to 9.5 back in March. Really bottomed out here. It's making this rounding bottom. Nice steady climber right now, up 57% for the week. It's expanding its tanker fleet. Daily rates have doubled. 11% of the float is short. There's a lot of catalysts, a lot of chatter on this one on social media. IMPP is one that you want to get on your radar screen. Next up is PBTS. This is the big runner of the week, up 253%. This is a China play. China tech stocks have been really beaten down from the overregulation in Beijing. There was a Bloomberg headline that they're going to allow Jack Ma's Ant Group Financial to IPO. Again, that was denied, but no one really know what's going on for sure. But Alibaba is all over the place. Big following on social media on Alibaba. Again, a lot of people think this is like buying Amazon back in 2002. Full disclosure, I own Alibaba on the Hong Kong exchange. I think the China names have been beaten down, and you're going to get a lot of sympathy plays, in these China low float, NYSE and NASDAQ China plays. So again, these can really get going. Again, PBTS spiked on no news. It's algo and momentum driven, up 253% for the week. So congrats subscribers that caught this move in PBTS. Next up is AUVI. This is an example of a great low float play. Just 6.28 million shares in the float, up 157% for the week. TCRT, this is a short squeeze play, up 72% for the week. 18% of the float is short. And then lastly, EFOI is another low floater, which is 5.7 million shares in the float, up 52% for the week. So guys, there's still plenty of opportunities in these small caps. Stick to what's working. If you believe and you keep buying the dips on a lot of these crypto names, a lot of these big caps, no one knows where the bottom is, and you could just be throwing good money. It's after bad, and it depletes your cash, and it's all about staying power. If you have the ability to look 5-10 years down the road on a lot of these names, yes, you'll make an absolute killing. But, right now, I think the best play, again, not financial advisor, is small caps. Play these low float, short squeeze, China plays, food, energy names. Focus on the big macro themes. Putin's war in Ukraine, it's still ongoing. He's got the grain ships blockaded. And food inflation is for real. And it's here to stay. So, there's going to be a lot of small caps that are going to focus on energy, food, and you're going to really be able to make a lot of money in these types of plays. And that's what we specialize here at InsiderFinancial.com, finding these types of plays for our subscribers. So make sure you are a subscriber. Go over to signup.insiderfinancial.com or sign up in any of the sign up boxes. Just enter your email and then sign up with your mobile number. It works for all numbers worldwide. Simply enter your country code first, followed by your number. For US and Canada, it's 1 plus area code and number. And the best part is we release all of our profiles at the opening bell. So, text messages, that is the fastest way to get our full report. We send the text message with the symbol and a link to the full report that you can read, do your due diligence, and then make your own investment decisions or consult your nearest financial advisor. With that being said, I want to wish everyone a wonderful weekend, and keep faith, keep going, never give up, and let's have a big week, another big week going forward. All right, everyone, have a great weekend. Bye-bye.